Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do the English practice, and today I'm going to basically choose one video which I've already spoken, and I'm just going to figure out like what are the things which I can improve in myself, and what are the things which is good for like uploading the video on YouTube as well. So just trying to basically see this video. Just hold a second. Hi everyone, how are you doing all? I hope you all are having a good day and living a healthy and prosperous life. So I've come again here in the video to speak on the this language which I picked for speaking and like doing the practice like English language basically. So I upload video on the on the English practices which I'm doing currently past couple of months. So I try to speak on the cue cards, and apart from like speaking, I do also reading books, and for that I just try to read self growth uh, books, because that is also important because reading. And apart from this, like I also listen and consume a lot of YouTube videos where I found multiple kind of knowledge. And so that's how like I do speaking uh, in my time basically. And so for improving myself, so there is another thing which is writing. So for writing I just write 5 to 10 minutes every day, whatever the things happen in my day. And so these all thing is required for LSRW, like meaning you need to follow all the LSRW methods. So for that I am doing. So particularly you can also do the same thing for improving yourself. So if I talk about like today's video, I have chosen a topic for speaking in this video, that is about describing a thing that you do in your leisure time. So this is the cue card for today's video, and I've been speaking on the cue card past couple of years. And so from speaking the cue card, that helps me like speak fluently while videos, and so without like giving myself extra time. So let's jump into this video, and don't forget watch this video till the end. So let's start it. So if I talk about like in my free time, I do get a lot of time while in morning whenever I wake up early. So at that moment I just read book, because that is like the thing which I feel like very good, because initially days when I was reading books, that is feel like very hectic. But after getting a habit of this reading books, that helps me to gain knowledge, and that helps me like getting a edge in multiple platform where I'm lacking. So for the leisure time I read books, and for reading books there is self growth books. And so if I talk about the books which I've read currently is I've told you, starting with why. So for that book, this helped me like finding out whatever I'm doing, why I'm doing. So first writing down all the why things which is required, why I'm doing, like having a strong why, that gives you the base basically for for uh, for like long last goals you can work by after getting your why. So apart from this, in the leisure time I just want sometime I do alone walking. And while walking I try to like speak and like feel calm for my like in my mind, because I don't want to think multiple thoughts, because like empty mind sometime is also good in the morning, and you can find out like other things as well which is required to be like uh, to get a good focus. Because at the free time I try to just relax myself, and after getting towards work I try to implement all the focus on the work basically. So after getting that, so I think for the topic which I've chosen for I think I think probably there are multiple times where I am thinking, and there are multiple times where I don't know basically what I'm speaking. These are the things multiple time happens with me while speaking on the cue card. So yeah, this is another video which I've listened to myself and find out that there are some places which I can improve, right? And so I uh, think about that. I'm going to implement in upcoming videos as well. So on this note, that is it. I hope you guys like it, this video. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Bye bye.